everybody, welcome back, and I am playing Murder Mystery 2, but not in regular Murder Mystery 2. I am actually in the testing server where you can buy the maximum of gems for only 1 Robux. So there's a lot of people here, as you can see. A lot of people are unboxing a lot of stuff. I uploaded a video today, the day I'm recording this. I uploaded a video of me unboxing 2 godlies. And it was in the testing server. I put that in the description, so hopefully you read that. Some might think it was in the regular server, but it's not. It's in the testing server, so it's not in the regular game. So I am going to be doing some more unboxing here because why not? And we'll see if I can get another godly. I got 3 earlier. 2 I taped. So let's just go. You can probably tell in the chat a lot of people are unboxing right now, so it kind of lags the game a little bit, but not too bad. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. That close to shark? Come on. I think it is easier to unbox godlies in the testing server though, because you can't use them in the regular game, so I think they make it a little bit easier because a lot of people actually do unbox them. And it doesn't cost much to get the gems, so I can't believe I thought I was gonna get sharks. I was gasping, but it went past it, of course. I have like 1,800 gems left. Come on, let's go. Let's get a shark or any godly. But right now I am trying to get a shark. That's one of my favorite godly guns, if you guys didn't know. Oh, I am sheriff. Okay. So I guess I'll get off of here and try to get the murder, I guess. But there's so many people AFK because everyone's just unboxing, so the murder might not even strike. Okay, it's not you. Or maybe it is, I don't know. You're being sus now. Oh! Oh, oh, oh! No, no, no! Ah, no! Oh my gosh! No! Oh my gosh! Oh man! Wow, I was doing good at juking him or her, not gonna lie. I was doing good at that part. Alright, anyway, let's get back to unboxing. I am like addicted to unboxing right now. Because it's only 1 Robux to get the maximum of gems, so you could be doing this forever. And I have 27,000 Robux. I'm not going to spend all of this, obviously, because I am saving up for my dream item yet. I need the Violet Valkyrie. Oh, and also, I was on a server earlier, and there's actually people teaming on the testing server. Like, what is up with that? That's just pathetic. And they got shot, interrupting my unboxing. Oh, and I ran out. See, look at this. It only costs 1 Robux. So yeah, I'm gonna buy some more. Because it's just fun unboxing. I probably won't do this very much longer though, because I don't want to spend all my Robux all of a sudden or something, because that would suck. Okay, come on. Get me a godly. Any godly. But right now, the shark. Somebody yesterday in a server unboxed the CHROMA laser. They actually got it on video too, so you should go check them out. I forget what their... Oh my! I forget what their name is. I think it's Joyins or something. I don't know. They were in Chill's live stream and they unboxed it, so that was pretty awesome. Come on, give me a godly. I would do this live, like Chills is doing a live, but I can never keep the live stream going because it keeps crashing on me. And I don't want to pay like a lot a month for it to not crash on me. Oh, I just seen shark. Come on. And I don't even know how I got Batwing and stuff on here. But when I joined yesterday, I got 3 godlies for free. So you guys can just join and you'll get like 3 godlies for free. At least I did yesterday. So you guys should really join the testing server and try to unbox. And you'll get 3 godlies for free when you join. At least I did, so you should. Oh my. Get out of here. Oh, come on. Doge. Targeter. Whatever. Ha! They got shot. That's what you get for targeting me. I don't know why people are asking for free stuff in here. It's literally so easy to unbox in here because you don't have to use coins. You don't have to save up forever. It only costs 1 Robux. Unless someone has 0 Robux, then I guess, but... Someone just asked what box shark is in. It's in Gunbox 2. I don't know if they've seen me say that. Oh, what the heck? How did they not see me? I'm just gonna unlock her. Okay, I have not seen shark for a very long time now. Okay, let's change it to Gunbox 1 then, try to get Luger. Oh my. I haven't seen it for a very long time now, come on. At least show me a godly. Okay, well I'm gonna go out here and see if maybe I can- Oh my! I'm just gonna follow the murderer right now. Oh, they died. The sheriff died. Oh no, they didn't. Never mind, they killed someone there. Okay, someone still has the gun. And they got shot. Okay, let's continue on here with Gunbox 1. I don't know why it's only 1 Robux right now. I don't know if that's normal or supposed to be like that. It would actually really suck if it was a mistake and then all of a sudden they took the rest of the Robux out of your account. Oh my gosh. That would really suck. I haven't seen a Luger at all. And someone saying my name. I don't know if they know me or if they want something from me. Oh no, that sucked. And I can't even see what they're saying now. Oh, they're a fan. That's awesome. Thank you for being a fan. Thank you so much. And someone just unboxed Luger. Look at that. Someone just unboxed Luger. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna try to unbox some more. Let's try a little bit more of the Luger. Got a Viper. But it's not the Luger. Come on. I don't know if people follow me into my games or just run into me randomly. I think most people, when they see me, they actually are following me to my game. Because I have joins on so anyone can follow. So that's awesome. So anyone can follow me. I haven't even seen the Luger. Come on. Oh, there's the murder. There's the murderer. I'm gonna die. I am going to die today. I'm gonna die. They want me to kill them. Okay. I will kill you. I don't even have sit on here, so sometimes I want to sit, but I can't sit because I don't have it. Alright, now let's do some more unboxing. Still want to see the Luger at least. Let me see it. Keep getting a lot of colds. Okay, come on. Let's give me the Luger. That's not the Luger. Can't believe how close it was to shark though. That's not cool. That's happened a lot to me actually. Okay, I have a weapon, so I'm gonna quit for now. I don't know what I have. Okay, I have the knife. That's awesome. I'm gonna lose. That's not awesome. There's like so many people AFK. Because everyone's just unboxing. Come here, you. You're probably like the sheriff right now. Yeah, I knew it! I knew it! Oh, that was a nice throw, not gonna lie, 'cause no one else in there. There's like hardly anyone on this server. Now I gotta find everyone else. Got you. Got you. Where is everyone else? See if there's anyone in here. Nope. Okay, see if there's anyone downstairs. Oh yeah, there is, right here. And you're not the last one. Okay. Is anyone up here? Nope. Watch, I'm gonna get shot as soon as I come up this ladder. Is there anyone in here? Where is this last person? There's gotta be like only one person left. And this server really filled up again. In here maybe? Yes. Wow. Alright. They hope I get 1 million subs one day. Oh yeah. That would be great. I would love it. And I got a pepper. I haven't even seen the Luger though. That is crazy. Maybe I should just like change boxes probably. I'm gonna do that. One more box. And then I'll change boxes. Okay. Well, then let's go to gun box 3. Try to get laser then. Since I couldn't even see Luger, maybe I'll actually see laser. I'm like running around and unboxing, so sometimes I run into stuff. Oh my gosh. Got universe. Oh! Oh, is that you? Am I gonna die right now? Oh, maybe it's not you. Like, ah! Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. You're the murderer. Or the sheriff, I mean. Oh, that was a nice shot. Good job. Okay, let's try for laser again. I haven't seen a godly in so long. What do they want to give me? What? Are they gonna give me this? Oh wow, thank you so much. Too bad it's not in the regular game so I could do giveaways with it, but thank you so much. Okay, now I don't have to go for laser anymore then. Let's see here. Okay, let's go for a shark again. I haven't even seen a godly in forever. Okay, I see a dead body there while I'm walking, while I'm boxing. I hear a lot of killing. And there's the gun. Oh, okay. Ooh. Nice. Alright, now. Oh no, I crashed! That wasn't cool. Yeah, that sucked. Whatever. Let's just continue unboxing. Let's go for shark. Maybe we'll have better luck on this server. Or not too. Oh my gosh! Someone just got a CHROMA gemstone! Somebody just got a CHROMA gemstone! Someone just got a CHROMA gemstone right there, guys. Oh my. Oh my. That is awesome. I would love to unbox a CHROMA in here. That would be amazing. Alright, let's go for shark. Come on, give me the shark. You teased me with it earlier. I deserve it. Someone died right there. So the murder was near me. And there's the gun. I don't even know who I'm supposed to be shooting at right now. Yeah! Them. Hey, they're back. Okay, I thought I was gonna sit. Okay, anyway. Come on, give me a shark. Give me a shark. I am not stopping until I get a shark. Or any godly, I mean. I'm gonna keep unboxing until I get a godly. Yes, I am. Come on, give me a godly. Think I'm gonna change to mystery box 1. Try to get a gemstone. Someone got a CHROMA gemstone. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, I don't trust you. I don't even know who I went past. This is just gonna be me unboxing and not getting anything, isn't it? I bet it is too. Oh my gosh, I'm never gonna get anything, am I? And that would be a no. Okay, let's try for the gemstone. I'm sorry if this video is like boring, but it's kind of exciting. The title of this video is gonna be somebody unboxed a CHROMA gemstone. Oh no! Wow. They targeted me. I'm like the only one dead right now. Okay, I'm not getting nothing. I would speed unbox, but I'm not very good at that. After this, then I'm gonna be done with this video because I only have 600 more. Well, 500 now. So after this one, I can unbox 4 more. Oh my gosh. 2 more. Come on. Give me something. At least let me see something. Not a splat. 1 more. Someone just unboxed a shark. Someone just unboxed a shark. Wow. Okay, well, I guess that is gonna do it for this video, guys. I did get a godly, but it was donated. I did not unbox it, unfortunately, like I did the others earlier. But yeah, that is gonna do it. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe, of course. Thank you for those who I met in here again. Some of my fans, that's awesome. I love meeting you guys. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.